Hello, my friend. My name is Vikas Kumar, and you are watching Island Plus Tech Zone. So let's start. So welcome again, friends. Today we are going to do two small topics. So typecasting and input functions. Okay. So I have give example with simple definition, and you will see it run. Okay. So let's start. So first of all, see um, what is typecasting and then definitions. So a number can be converted into a string and vice versa if possible. Okay. So then a number. So number. What number? So number is int. Then string is string. Okay. So then convert into string. Okay. So but vice versa if possible. Okay. Then second, there are many functions to convert one data type into another. Okay. So and second definitions easily typecasting using in a data type to convert another data type. Okay. So you are understand. So uh, okay. So see again examples. So first of all, suppose a variable equal to string. So value of a is string. Okay. So single quote this value. So value of a is string. Then print. Okay. Then print a plus 6. So 6 data type is int. Then a data type is str. Okay. So different data types. So uh, not addition this number. Okay. So uh, because uh, a and 6 different data types. So uh, are practical. So run it. So this is can only concatenate str. Okay. To str. So but not int. Okay. So addition operators are used. So only same data types. Okay. Same data types. Suppose a string and second data type is string. So same data type str to str and not a int. Okay. So this is not run it. Okay. So then second print you are check in a variable what is type. So a variable type is str. So you can see. So print type a type is str. Okay. Then second. Okay. So using typecasting. Okay. So using typecasting. So a this is commented. Uh, okay. So a equal to typecasting is convert data types. String data types to convert int. Okay. So this is a typecasting. So a equal to int. Okay. Then a. So C. So this is practical. Okay. So a and other variables int is convert to a. A is value is a string. Okay. So then print type and a plus 6. Okay. So what is a value? A value is convert int. Okay. Then 6 6 plus a. So what is 12 and 34? Okay, so mm, okay. Okay, so second print I will mention. So print a plus 6. Okay, so a plus 6, so 12 40. Okay, then so this is the typecasting. So one data type to convert another data type. Okay, then second topic is input function. So what is input function? So this is function allow the user to take input from the keyboard as a string. Okay, so as a string. So example, a equal to input keyword and then enter any value. Okay, so then uh, any any or any data type is fast, but input is as a string your uh, passage. Okay, so then note, so the output of the input function is always a string even if the number is entered by the user. Okay, so entered by the user, then always a string even. Okay, so suppose if a user enter 34. Okay, then this is 34 will automatically convert to 34 34 string. Okay, so it string is literal. Okay, so I so do this practice. So a equal to, okay, a equal to input, then any enter number, yeah, any string. So do this practical. Okay, sorry. So input function I have used. So then educated, so enter number, so any number. So 34, suppose 34, because your definitions and explanations. So 34. Okay, so 34 is each data, what data type is uh, int. Okay, so enter, so 34, but print type of a. So what is type a? Okay, so 34, enter. So 34 is value, then class is str. Okay, so value of a, sorry, so type of a str. Okay, so because automatically convert to a string. Okay, and second, b equal to input, enter number, then b int converted int. Okay, so converted data type. So you can see, so this is typecasting. Okay, okay, so okay, okay, so 3 print, what is print type b, then print b, 3 print. What is 3 print? Okay. This is major problem. Okay. So then I will again educate it. So 30 5. Okay. No, sorry, 45. Okay. So enter, then enter number 35, then print type of B. So type of B int. Okay, then print B. So okay, 45 is print B. So uh, so I have completed two tasks. So thank you, and thank you watching the video. So I will see you again. Thank you so much.